You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. This is my carrot, steak, egg cheese omelette pie. Carrot, steak, egg cheese omelette pie. And you're watching this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. This is the finished product you're looking at. This finished product is consists of course, eggs, steak, carrots. Those are the three main ingredients. Then mushrooms were added. Then tomatoes were added. Then scallions were added. Garlic was added. Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, bell peppers, and hot pepper, hot scotch bonnet pepper in this. And then to top it off with cheese and of course my favorite, some bacon bits pieces. So this is what this pie is consist of. So you're looking at the carrot, steak, cheese, egg omelette pie. And you're seeing this on the Winston Gel TV on the YouTube platform. Please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel in support of my channel. And the trimmings are tomatoes and green apple. Thanks for viewing. See you on another incredible cooking challenge on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.